Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome to Lifers. My mission is to share Earth's biodiversity one species at a time. Here is a pair of American Carrion Beetles. Actually, there are two pairs. This species is found in North America, east of the Rocky Mountains. There are currently no subspecies recognized. This species is pretty fascinating because it has a mutualistic relationship with phoretic mites. The beetle provides transportation while the mites feed on competing larvae and eggs of other insects on the carcass. I've already shared this species on Lifers before, but it doesn't hurt to revisit species from time to time.